How to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So if your Gmail is not receiving emails, then let's begin. First of all, what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Gmail app. Then click on the top left corner which has that three-barred icon, and then scroll down and select the option of settings. Under settings here you will have the general settings. Tap on the general settings and scroll down again, or you may simply go with the account which you're using right now, and then scroll down, and here you will have an option of data usage, and under that you will have sync Gmail option. So make sure that your sync Gmail option or the synchronize option is turned on. Once you turn that on, now let's go back and open up your settings on your phone and go to the apps option, tap on see all apps, and then scroll down and choose the Gmail application. Once you open up your Gmail, now you just need to simply go with the option of storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now your problem may be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, after doing that, what you need to do is you just need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button, and here you will get a restart option. Once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Gmail not receiving emails. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.